The Donner DED-70 Drum Kit is an exceptional choice for beginners, offering a 7-piece set with quiet mesh drumheads and oversized rubber cymbals that deliver an authentic and responsive drumming experience. With 150 built-in sounds, 15 customizable drum kits, and 10 demo songs, this kit provides budding musicians the opportunity to explore a wide range of musical styles from rock to pop. Designed to offer a silent yet realistic playing experience, the DED-70 includes headphones for quiet practice or can be connected to external speakers for a more amplified performance. The ergonomic and adjustable design ensures that the drum kit can grow with young players, providing a comfortable and posture-friendly setup that is also easy to store thanks to its collapsible frame. Its portability is enhanced by dual power modes, allowing the drum kit to be powered by an adapter or a USB power bank, making it perfect for outdoor practice sessions. Interactive lessons from Melodics, accessible through the Donner Play app, help young drummers improve their skills with real-time feedback and customizable drills, making learning both fun and effective.